Yeah, I'm interested in the Hazizah story. You are at the pinnacle of the media career for anyone in Brunei. I mean, being the general manager of the Brunei Press is a serious deal. What do you think is responsible for where you are today?
I think for every person, in terms of trying to achieve what you want in your career, I've mentioned to you earlier, Shaun, I think most important is perseverance and tenacity. You'll definitely face many challenges as we go along. It's actually pushing through and not giving up. I think that's really important. To me, really believing that you can do this, or if you can't, just pushing yourself further and trying your best. That is very important, and not losing hope and being patient. I think you really need to be patient.
What I have picked up from our conversation, aside from those qualities you've just spelled out, is a high degree of multitasking skill, Hazizah.
Yeah.
It almost feel like I'm talking to an octopus who is constantly, doing so many things. How do you juggle all that with a family and a kid? It's unbelievable.
I think just taking it as, it's all in a day's work. And I think most important is to enjoy what you do. Because when you enjoy what you do, it doesn't feel like work. You go through the day.
And after 25 years,
yes,
you're not bored.
I think I kind of keep myself occupied by doing new things, or launching new products, or working, because every day is a new thing for us, right? I mean, you are also in the same
we're experimenting this very new thing,
right? Yeah, every day is something new. I learn from the young ones. I mean, we all learn from the young ones in terms of how to approach the media today. They learn from us, but I think it's a two-way thing. And keeping yourself motivated and keeping yourself interested and trying to keep young all the time, So I think that's key, because and experimenting with different things. It's lifelong learning. You learn something new every day. So I think that's my, how I get by daily, and how I maintain to be in this profession for over 25 years, and still, wake up in the morning, go to work and get excited about things, rather than going like, oh my God, am I doing this again? Well, for me, when it comes to that point, when I feel like that, then perhaps it's time for me to move on to do something else already.
So I'm so glad to hear that you haven't been, you have not felt otherwise.
Yeah, so far so good. It's been really, I think Brunei has been really a wonderful place, because you get to work with very different people, and people in general are very endearing. You form relationships, friendships with your clients over the years. I'm sure you do that too. You have experienced that too. And people, tend to support each other. They understand what's going on, and I think that's yeah.